Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Ms. Francisca, Chief Economist, South Asia, World Bank, my cabinet colleagues here, Excellency Mr. Alexis Chetatinsky, the Consul General of France, who is also joined us here today, the officers from the government of Sindh, the delegates from the World Bank, private sector, stakeholders who've joined us here today. Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. I'd start off by congratulating the World Bank and the Planning and Development Department for co-hosting this event for dissemination of two very important reports, the South Asia Development Update and the Pakistan Development Update, with Waqas telling us about the distribution side of the power sector. I've quickly went through these two reports. Obviously, I've read them, and there's a lot of information here which would guide us here in Pakistan, the public sector, the private sector, all the stakeholders, in order to improve our economic outlook. We highlighted the issues. Francisca told us the low-hanging fruit that we have, the participation of women and the increase in trade. Obviously, we have potential for both. And she was absolutely right. It's when the women would work with us, with the men, at higher level positions, being more productive. And right now what we're doing is, though we're very proud that we've transformed here in Sindh. I don't know if your colleagues have told you or not. Kamal Sahib is here and he must have seen it himself, that in the most backward area of Pakistan, Tharparkar, where